In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the bookmark bar on Chrome. If you want a cleaner look in your browser window and a little more space at the top of the screen, hiding the bookmark bar is a quick and easy setting to change. This can be especially helpful if you don't use bookmarks often or if you just prefer a more minimal layout while browsing. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and that you're on any normal Chrome window. It doesn't matter which website you have open, since this setting can be changed from anywhere inside the browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. This is the main Chrome menu, where many browser settings and display options can be accessed. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look through the list until you find the Bookmarks option. In some versions of Chrome, this may appear as Bookmarks and Lists, but the important part is that it includes bookmarks. Move your cursor over that option, or click it if needed, to open the Bookmarks-related settings. Now, look for the option that controls the bookmarks bar. If the bookmark bar is currently showing, you should see an option to hide the bookmarks bar or a setting called Show Bookmarks Bar with a check mark next to it. Select that option to turn it off. As soon as you click it, the bookmark bar will disappear from the top of the browser. And that's it. Your Chrome bookmark bar is now hidden. If you ever want to bring it back, you can follow the exact same path through the three-dot menu, go to Bookmarks, and enable the bookmarks bar again. So this is a very easy setting to switch on or off, depending on your preference. A quick tip before you go: hiding the bookmark bar does not delete any of your saved bookmarks. It only removes the bar from view, so your bookmarks will still be available through the Bookmarks menu whenever you need them. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.